$23 is a recent selling price for this 5-cent coin. It's a 1994 large SD, and they're really hard to find. You need to look at it through. This is the size of the coin down here, and this is a TomLov microscope that I've just received. It's awesome. So you can zoom in and check out the detail you need to see if you've got one of those. I've got a bag full of 1994 5-cent coins. I'm going to be searching really soon to see if I can find any more of these. And this microscope is super cool. Got a little remote control. I can zoom in and get really close detail, and I can zoom out if I want to. I can raise that whole section up and down. I've got lights on the side here. So many features to it. You can take photos and videos of the things you want. Little buttons here to zoom in and out as well, to get to the magnification you want. And you can also adjust the zoom in and out on the coin too. So yeah, really looking forward to playing around with this and also searching this bag here. So stay tuned. Going to be doing a bit more of content with this TomLov microscope. And if you're interested, I've got a link through to this in the bio. And if you use the code word Michael, you get $30 off this particular model. And man, the screen is huge, huge screen. So super excited about this and really looking forward to finding these coins here. The 1994 large SD 5-cent coins, $23 recent selling price. Nice.